Welcome to Lyon. This beautiful city in France is full of history, culture and delicious food. There's so much to see and to do here. In this video we are going to show you the top 5 best places to visit in Lyon and of course show all the good and the bad. We will visit some bustling markets, beautiful parks, but also show you the best views and spots you cannot miss.
Morning, beautiful people. We are heading to Lyon. So we parked our camper nearby this Lyon. It's a small village and we're taking a walk to the train to catch a train to Lyon from that village. It's supposed to be like 30 minutes. Yeah, we didn't want to go to Lyon with the camper van because there's a lot of theft, and if they steal, like if they break into the camper van, they will steal everything. And it's like a moving house, so everything you own is basically there. Clothes, money, laptops, whatever. So we always grab our stuff with us, like laptops and important things, and we keep the rest in the camper van. We hide it, and we always like close our curtains and full on the camper to keep it safe. So in case somebody wants to break in, he will think about it 10,000 times, because the camper is actually, windows are all blocked, so you can't see basically if we are inside or not. Baby!
Yes?
I want to show everybody how beautiful you look today. Yes!
You did that. Yeah, you crossed the line about 1,000 times and I did that. Yeah, I stayed a while, tried to make it right. Cigarette. No, I never smoked, but my heart is broke, explosive. Stressing for that old thing back. That initial love. All the goosebumps, those flutters in my gut, turn into disgust. What a waste of love, babe. I just wanna go back to how it was. Hit me with that love bomb, laying each other's arms. Love becoming so strong, hit me so strong.
What did you think of it so far? It's so busy, right?
It is so busy and we're not really used to that anymore. After Milan we didn't visit such a busy city.
There's a lot of homeless people as well, begging for money on the doors. We are so afraid of pickpocketing because we have so many things on us. And we're trying to be very careful with it. But yeah, so far it is so busy.
Lyon is alive with energy and home to over 500,000 people. The city is a melting pot of cultures with people from all over the world. This definitely adds to the city's unique and exciting vibe. So we're heading now to the food markets inside, and these are named after a very legendary chef from France, Bocuse. I think they have really nice food over there. We love nice food, so we're going to explore what the local food is here in Lyon.
This is kind of Arabic Mediterranean. It's like leaves with rice and meat inside. Take it easy. She's always in rush with food. Really good, right? It's feta cheese. It's like cheese rolls. Yeah, it's feta cheese with green leaves and onion. It's Mediterranean food. How is your coffee?
That's really good.
Best coffee or nah?
Yeah, it's like the best coffee that I had in a long time.
There was a lot of cheese and sausage and meat and everything you can think of. Nice jams, nice juices. We got some nice juices and Mediterranean food. But there's a lot of French cheese and also some fresh fish. We didn't try anything. It was €6 per piece for the star. It was a bit expensive. Now we're heading to Parc.
Yes.
Now we're heading to the park and we'll see you there. That's how big the park is. And there is a zoo right over here. At our second location in the park is one of the biggest parks in even Europe. So here they keep all the plants from all around the world that doesn't live here. And in the inside is very, very warm. So they have heaters on all around the place. There's palm trees and some plants that lives in the desert from Australia, India, and all over the world. This tree is basically sideways.
Cute, right?
Yeah, it just grows sideways, like in parallel mode. So these are kind of Mediterranean section with all the cactus and some other plants here alongside the park. The park is huge and it's filled with people. It's Saturday, so it must be so busy. Now we're heading to the lake and there is a zoo. So yeah, there's a lot to see in this park and it's fun because it's free, so you don't have to pay anything. Here's a full black plants all over the place. This huge tree is Cèdre du Liban. It's actually Lebanese, where I come from. And yeah, we have those all over our mountains. And look how cool they are. They could lift thousands and thousands of kilograms of snow in winter. Everybody's chilling here and reading books and making a bit of music and yeah, just playing around. There's thousands of people here. Yeah, there are a lot of animals around, but you can't see anything from the glass. The reflection of the glass is, yeah, very strong. There are tigers, parrots, and yeah, so many animals. Giraffe, monkeys. Now we're heading towards the giraffe. We saw the zebras. We couldn't film anything. I just got some shots in the drone, but the rest we couldn't film because, yeah, there's so many people, and the reflection of the glass most of the time is, yeah, very hard to capture the animals or see them.
This park was really one of our favorite spots and we spent quite some time here. But now it's time to move on to the next must-see of Lyon, and we are going to explore more about Lyon's artistic side, architecture, and make our way to find the best view of the city.
We're taking a break now in front of that beautiful lake. It's very peaceful. There are boats inside, so it can be an option to take a boat tour, but we're not gonna do that because we want to head and see multiple places. And Lyon is quite big. I think it needs like 2 days to visit Lyon if you want to see everything. And yeah, now we're heading to the art street, right?
Yeah, area with lots of art.
Yeah, and then yeah, we have the cathedral, the Basilica we want to also see before it's dark. So we have to go. See you there.
Then we crossed the river on our way to Old Town, where every street is full of history and every corner hides a cozy restaurant. This is the place to be for anyone who loves good food and a bit of adventure.
So we are in the streets art section and it's very, very big, but wherever you walk you find like art on the stairs like this ones and on the buildings, paintings and stuff like that. So we're gonna cross through that city, through those streets. Yeah, and then all the way to the church and then cathedral and then the Basilica. There are a few here, but they're so beautiful. Here the streets are filled with paintings on the walls and on the garage. They're really beautiful paintings, and it seems like in this area it is actually legal to do that, and that's why lots of people just paint on the wall. Lots of artists actually, because yeah, they're really hard paintings and they're really beautiful. I bet some people don't like that, but we actually like it and don't like it. This beautiful big church is actually very, very old, but it's abandoned, so nobody make use of it But they are also painting all over it, some dirty painting all over the walls of the church. There's a painting all over the building, and it shows how it actually was before it was destroyed. We're crossing the bridge to the other side so we can get to the Basilica. And here by the river there's a big sidewalk, and people are just hanging around. There's a lot of people. Lyon is filled with people. We didn't see a lot of French people, mostly like foreigners, but they're not tourists. It feels like they live here or something. Yeah, we're gonna eat here in one of those restaurants in this street. It's so busy in here, but also, we're struggling to find public toilets. All the public toilets are out of service. Like we visit like 5 and they're all out of service. This was the Cathedral of Saint-Jean, and it's also a very, very old one. It's like 800 years old, from the year 1180, something like that. And of course they renovated it throughout the years, but now, it's very beautiful. And there's a lot of people, so basically next to it is Old Town, where we're actually walking with all the restaurants around. People are so impatient. We're going now to the Basilica, the big one on the top of the mountain, and then we're gonna head back to the restaurant to eat something nice.
We simply love Old Town. It's a pretty long day already, but we cannot miss out on the famous Basilica of the Notre-Dame de Fourvière.
We're so tired, right? We did our 13,000 step today. Still have to go down and then go to the restaurant. Wow, it looks so beautiful. Look at the whole city behind. Lots of up and lots of stairs. We were not ready for this. We're super tired. And we need to eat. We're so hungry.
Finally, we reached the top of the hill to visit this beautiful cathedral. And the view over the city is absolutely stunning. This is the perfect end spot for an incredible day in Lyon.
Look how gorgeous the church is. Now we're heading to eat something nice. We actually had almost a problem with the drone. It automatically landed because the battery was so low when I was flying it to capture the church with the light. It was fantastic. And then the drone had a low battery, so I cancelled. I said, no, I don't want to land now. I could capture a bit more. And then 3 minutes later, the drone did automatic landing on the street somewhere. So I had to run for it. Is smashing the sandwich. We got Lebanese food and it's so good. I got shawarma and she got taouf, and it's insanely good. I miss that so much that we had to take sandwiches quickly because we're running to the train, and the train leaves in 30 minutes, 35, and we still have 25 minute walk to the train station because the village where we came from, there are not too many trains going there. So we have to make it quickly.
We were picture perfect, so much freaking passion. why we never got it back, babe. It was just a love bomb. Really wish you didn't push me away. I was willing to try long as it takes. I would never say we were a mistake, but fleeting romance doesn't align.
The sandwiches were actually amazing. We finally made it back to the train station to head back to Miribel, and tomorrow we're heading towards the beach. That's it for today's video, I guess. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, smash that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. It's free. When we arrived to the train station, there was actually not police but military on the doors, like all over, with full guns and full sets ready to fight somewhere.
But we don't know what's happening.
No, we don't know what's happening, and it's very weird. That's the first time you see, like, I saw this in Europe and Micah too. It's very weird to see that, like, military and full uniform and guns on the streets. Anyway, we're gonna catch a train back, so see you the next time. Finally made it to the toilet, even though there was 3 toilets.
Really?
Not working on the train.
My God,
It's unbelievable, yeah. That's the only sad part about France. Like, people pay tax, but the roads are bad. There is no public toilets. They're all like out of order. They're not working. We like Lyon, but also we think that it's a bit dodgy, right? Nobody followed the rules. Everybody red lights, motorcycle and bicycle. They don't even stay on the red light. Scooters and some cars. Nobody cares. It feels a little bit out of control. Lots of foreigners. You don't see a lot of French people, and things are not like as they're supposed to be, I would say. Overall, it was fun. It was nice. The Lebanese restaurant made it perfect, and the places we visited were actually amazing. We just didn't like that part, and we were scared for our stuff because everybody is pushing you and everybody's staying in your almost sticking in you, right?